Kids are back in school. Busy parents and students can shop fast and save money on all their weekly must-have items from ALDI. This morning we welcome Samantha Eaton, certified nutrition and eating psychology coach. Hello, Samantha, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful. Now, mornings have gotten a little bit busier, so tell us what you have for a quick, healthy, affordable breakfast.
Absolutely. So these chocolate zucchini protein muffins are a great grab-and-go breakfast. They have that hidden vegetable in there, the zucchini, but I promise you'd never taste it. They're also loaded with healthy fats and protein to help you feel fuller longer and stay more focused, whether you're at school or at work. Then when snack time hits, bento boxes are the perfect way to add tasty variety into your day. ALDI has lots of prepackaged options to choose from to make growing them together really simple, like these Emporium Selection sliced cheeses and this Southern Grove trail mix. Or if you're feeling a little creative, you can use their budget-friendly items to make your own components, like this hummus veggie wrap. I used a Veggie-free tortilla, Simply Nature organic hummus, and vegetables from the large selection of high-quality produce at ALDI. Then when lunchtime rolls around, these tuna salad bell pepper boats are so quick and easy to throw together. I use Northern Catch sustainably caught tuna, but if you or your kids don't love tuna, you can just use shredded chicken instead. I also use Berman's mayonnaise and mustard for flavor, and I love serving them alongside Simply Nature organic corn chips for carbs and a good crunch. Then wash all of this deliciousness down with the large selection of beverages from ALDI as well. For kids, stock up on juice boxes and water bottles for easy grab-and-go hydration. And for adults, I love their Vitalife organic kombucha and their Pure Aqua Bellevue sparkling waters. They come in all kinds of tasty flavors. Then in the afternoon, if you want a fun little way to mix things up, make yourself a mocktail. I love using the Simply Nature organic fruit juice, topping it off with the Pure Aqua Bellevue plain sparkling water, and then garnishing with some fresh fruit. So tasty, good little energy boost.
So how is ALDI making back-to-school season so much easier?
Yeah, ALDI makes it easy to stretch both your budget and your ingredient list. They offer high-quality, fresh produce delivered to stores daily, meat, seafood, on-the-go snacks, along with lots of organic, gluten-free, and non-GMO options, too.
ALDI also makes it convenient to shop, is that correct?
Yeah, in the broader Charlotte area, ALDI actually has nearly 40 store locations. They also offer nationwide grocery delivery service and grocery curbside pickup at nearly 600 store locations.
Well, to learn more, visit ALDI.US. That's ALDI.US. Samantha, thank you very, very much.
Thank you.